Welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today's short video, I will be sharing some ideas for any soccer mom or sport parent out there that may need snack ideas for your child or children's team. I enjoy being a soccer mom, encouraging my kid and other kids as well, as they are learning a physical set of skills. I am very grateful that my daughter is in her second season playing with I9 Sports and her coach, Steven Velez. This experience has been wonderful and I couldn't have asked for a better coach. My daughter has grown so fast. I really enjoy taking care of my family in any extent of them. Therefore, I pack a snack for the team as I would pack for my daughter. Work willingly at whatever you do as though you were working for the Lord rather than people. Colossians 3:23. It's one of the ways I like to try to live my life on a daily basis. The Lord has blessed me and I wanted to bless my daughter's teammates. I found these absolutely cute boxes along with the soccer pins from Amazon. All of the snacks were from Walmart and highly requested from my daughter. As I share what I ended up picking for these children, this is from experience of seeing what they like and don't like. And please do not feel that you have to do this as if you pack a snack. These are just several ideas that you can use and you can mix and match. Again, it's just an idea for you all to share. I really enjoy this. The kids really loved it. It was like opening up a Happy Meal for them and it brought me joy to watch. The first time my daughter wanted me to make empanadas and I ran out of time, so I ended up making some wonton empanadas. And since the kids and the parents loved it, my family encouraged me to sign up again for snacks and bring some more empanadas, which we did when we celebrated our championship game that unfortunately we lost, but it was a great experience. This season, we're going off to the playoff and we have a chance to win the championship again, so wish us luck.